For professional designers and marketing teams, using AI art generators is a massive gamble. Most popular tools have incredibly vague usage rights, leaving agencies legally exposed. Plus, jumping between different apps ruins your workflow. But Adobe Firefly is changing the game by bringing powerful, commercially safe AI models directly into the Creative Cloud tools you already use every single day. Instead of locking you into a single aesthetic, Firefly offers an entire ecosystem of models. You get Adobe's advanced Firefly Image 4, the photorealistic Image 4 Ultra, and the cutting-edge Image 5 Preview. Even better, it integrates partner models like GPT Image 2, Gemini 3, and Flux 1.1 Pro. This means you can generate the exact style your client needs without ever leaving your workspace. Staying on brand has always been a struggle with AI, but Firefly solves this with precision controls. Using composition and style references, you can upload any image to dictate the exact layout and aesthetic of your generation. You can also fine-tune content types, effects, color palettes, lighting, and even camera angles. It turns unpredictable prompts into highly controlled, professional-grade outputs that perfectly match your client's brand guidelines. The real magic of Firefly is where it lives. It is built directly into the tools you use every day. You can access Generative Fill right inside Photoshop, edit lighting in Lightroom, or create quick social graphics in Adobe Express. Every single prompt generates 4 variations instantly, and a dedicated fast mode allows you to rapidly iterate before committing to a high-resolution 2K upscale. It turns AI from a novelty toy into a serious, high-speed production tool. Perhaps the most important feature for professionals is legal safety. Unlike other models, Adobe Firefly is trained exclusively on licensed Adobe stock and public domain content. This means your outputs are fully backed by Adobe's IP indemnification, completely eliminating copyright risks. If you want to elevate your design workflow without the legal headaches, try Firefly's free tier inside Photoshop today and experience the future of professional AI.